Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about Andhra Pradesh state that in NEET PG 2021 counseling, when it will start, once the exam will over. We know that we have an assumption that the exam might held in September, but it is not officially confirmed yet. But still we can assume that we have almost just 2 months left. And when this time in 2021 the pattern has completely changed. Previously the pattern was of 1200 marks. I mean the NEET exam 2020 was of 1200 marks, and now this time when it has been changed and the exam is of just 800 marks. So this video will give you an idea that out of 800 marks, what should be the minimum score to get the government seat in Andhra Pradesh branch wise. Just say you have a particular desirable branch, so for that branch how much marks you should score minimally to get a government seat in Andhra Pradesh. Why I am telling you Andhra Pradesh? Because for other states I have already uploaded the video. If you wanted to check, if you belongs to other states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, MP, Haryana, so those states are already covered. If you belongs to one of those states, just navigate the videos previously. The earlier videos are based on those states only. Or if you wanted to check all India quota, all the links will be given in description box. You can just navigate to description box and you will get all the links over there. So today this video is completely dedicated to Andhra Pradesh. So let's start the video. One thing I would like to tell you about Andhra Pradesh, you must be knowing that the some seats for the female candidates are also reserved in Andhra Pradesh. So we'll be talking about general category male candidate and female candidate separately. That what was the closing rank in 2020, and along with that we will be sharing that according to 2021 new pattern, what should be the minimum score branch wise, category wise, in for getting the government seat. Let's start the videos. First of all, ENT branch. For ENT branch, if you for male candidates, general male candidates, the closing rank was in 2020, the closing rank was 8,741 all India rank. This time when the pattern has changed, and out of 800 marks, the minimum score should be 544 to 549 or above that if you wanted to take government seat in Andhra Pradesh ENT branch, and if you are a male general candidate. So similarly for general female candidates it's not been given. So for next branch anesthesia, the closing rank for 2020 general male candidate was 22,616. Closing rank means till this was the last rank. This was the last rank student who had got the last seat of anesthesia, last government seat of anesthesia in Andhra Pradesh. So 22,616 was the closing rank for general male candidate for anesthesia. And this time when the pattern has changed, so out of 800, the minimum marks required to get anesthesia branch for male general candidate is around 497 to 502 or above that. If you score more than the upper value, which is 502 in the case of anesthesia, you will be on a safer side, you will be on a stronger position, right? So similarly for female general female candidate, the closing rank of for anesthesia in 2020 was 28,879, and this time according to new pattern, according to out of 800 marks, the marks required is minimum 496 to 501 or more than that. If you score more than that, then definitely you will be on the safer side. Similarly for Opthal, 11,317 was the closing rank for 2020 for general male candidate. Out of 800 in 2021, if you wanted to take Opthal, you should score minimum 533 to 538 marks or above that or more than that. Then you can say that you can get Opthal government seat for male candidate. Similarly for female candidates, Opthal closing rank was last year 2020 17,483. So this time you should be having at least 511 to 516 or more than that. You should score more than 516 marks to be on the safer side. Similarly, for TB and chest, last year in 2020, the closing rank was 9,957 for general male candidate. This time you should be scoring at least 506 to 511 marks or more than that to be on the safer side. And similarly, for general candidate, general female candidate, the last year the closing rank for TB and chest was 7,076 all India rank. This time you should be scoring at least 553 to 558 marks to be on the safer side or more than that. Similarly, secretary, for the male candidate, general male candidate, last year in 2020 the closing rank was 20,047. This time you should be scoring at least 502 to 507 or more than that to get secretary branch if you are a male candidate. And for female candidate, for female general candidate, in 2020 the closing rank for TB and for secretary was 26,113. This time you should be scoring minimum 487 to 492 or more than that to get secretary government seat in Andhra Pradesh female candidate. For orthopedics, closing rank in 2020 for male candidate was 11,264 all India rank. This time should be scoring 533 to 538 or more than that to be on the safer side. Similarly, for female candidate, for orthopedics branch, for 14,257 all India rank was the last year cutoff, last year closing rank. This time should be scoring, if you are a female candidate, you should be scoring minimum 522 to 527 or more than that if you wanted to take orthopedics government seat in Andhra Pradesh for female seats. For general surgery, in 2020 the closing rank was 10,407 for the general male candidate. This time in 2021, minimum you should be scoring 527 to 532 marks or more than that to be on the safer side. Similarly, for girls candidate, female candidate, for general surgery, 17,553 was the closing rank in 2020. This time in 2021, minimum you should be scoring 511 to 518 or more than that to be on the safer side. For OBGY, male candidate, last year in 2020 the closing rank cutoff was 7,791 all India rank. This time you should be scoring minimum 549 to 554 or more than that to be on the safer side if you are a male candidate. Similarly, for female candidate, last year closing rank was 3,104 all India rank. This time the female should be scoring minimum 583 to 588 or more than that to be on the safer side. For pediatrics, in 2020, 5,629 was the closing rank for male candidate, for general male candidate. This time in 2021, male candidate should be scoring at least 562 to 567 or more than that to be on the safer side. Similarly, the closing rank cutoff for pediatrics in 2020 for general female candidate was 3,475 all India rank. In 2021, you should be scoring, female candidate should be scoring minimum 579 to 584 or more than that to be on the safer side for getting the pediatric seat in Andhra Pradesh through state quota government seats. For general medicine, 4,262 was the closing rank for male candidate, general male candidate. This time, male candidate should be scoring minimum 572 to 577 or more than that to be on the safer side if your desirable branch is general medicine, if you wanted to take general medicine government seat in Andhra Pradesh through state 50% quota, right? So similarly, for female candidates, last year in 2020 the closing rank was 1,814 all India rank, and this time you should be scoring, female candidate should be scoring minimum 594 to 599 or more than that to be on a safer side. For radiology, in 2020, 2,317 was the closing rank for general male candidates. This time it should be around, male candidate should be scoring minimum 590 to 595 or more than that if male candidate wanted to take radiology government seat in Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, for female candidate, 1,271 was the closing rank in 2020, but this time out of 800 female candidates should be scoring minimum 606 to 611 or more than that to be on the safer side if you wanted to take radiology. For dermatology, last year it was 2677 was the closing rank for male candidate. This time you should be scoring 587 to 592 or more than that to get dermat seat. Now whatever marks I have mentioned in the video are just assumptions, are just a calculation, nothing else, right? So there are chances that if you score this much marks, you will this much marks respective of the branches, you should get your desirable branch. Okay, fine. Now to score this marks, your target should be at least 50 marks more than the marks I have mentioned in the video. So you have to target NEET PG, you have to score in NEET PG 2021 exam 50 marks extra, whatever marks I have explained in this video branch wise. So now that's all for Andhra Pradesh state. As I told you that for All India quota also video are already been uploaded. For the other northern states also video has been uploaded. If you belongs to northern states, or if you wanted to check All India quota cutoffs and required marks, minimum required marks, you can just check with the previous videos, or else you can visit the description box link. You will find the link over there and you can click and check the videos. So that's all for today. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box, or else you can just give call to ask to clear your doubts on the number flashed on the screen. Thank you so much. Just share, subscribe and like the channel, and one more thing, join the Telegram group for more and other updates. Thank you so much.